In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Nano Banana to colorize images. If you're ready to bring vibrant life to your black and white photos, let's get started. First, you're going to need to head over to Google Gemini. Open your web browser and type in the URL for Google Gemini. This platform is where you'll start your journey in colorizing images. Once you're there, you'll see an interface designed to handle various tasks, including our main task today, using Nano Banana for colorizing images. Next, on the Gemini interface, look for the Add Files icon. Click on it, which will open up a file selection window on your computer. From here, you'll choose the black and white image that you want to transform. Be sure to select the right image file containing the content you wish to bring to life with colors. Now click on Upload Files. This action uploads your selected image to the platform so that it's ready for the colorization process. The ease of this process makes it accessible to everyone, even if you're not tech savvy. After the upload is complete, you'll be prompted to provide a specific instruction in a text box. This is where you give directions to the AI about how you want your image to be colorized. As you type your instruction, remember to be clear and precise. An example of a prompt could be, colorize this old photo with natural colors that match the era. You can even add adjectives like vibrant, soft, or modern to influence the style and mood of the resulting image. Doing so allows you to tailor the colorization to fit exactly the aesthetic you're aiming for. Once you've typed your prompt, locate the Generate button on the interface and give it a click. This is where the magic happens. The AI will process the information you've provided and apply the colorization to your image. Give the AI a moment to work, and soon you'll see the transformation unfold before your eyes. It's a pretty exciting moment. Finally, after the AI has completed its task, take a good look at the colorized image. Make sure it meets your expectations. You might want to make some tweaks to the prompt to get different results, so don't hesitate to try a few variations if needed. Once you're satisfied with the outcome, download the image with the newly applied colors to your computer. This final step saves the hard work you've done, and your image is now ready to be shared with the world or kept for your personal collection. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to use Nano Banana to transform black and white images into colorful masterpieces. Thanks for watching, and happy colorizing.